Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I am from the Bodhi Academy. So I'll be taking different topics of 10th standard maths, and the first topic is arithmetic progression. Now, what is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a series of numbers whose difference between consecutive terms is constant. Now, what are consecutive terms? So, if I suppose write 1, 2, 3, now see, the number after 1 is 2 and the number after 2 is 3. So, these are the consecutive and so on. Now, consecutive terms is constant. Now, if I take an example like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now difference between 2 and 4 is what? 4 minus 2, which is 2. Now difference between 4 and 6 is what? 2. Difference between 6 and 8 is what? 2. And 8 and 10 is 2. Now see, difference between these two consecutive is 2. Then this two terms is 2. So that this difference between consecutive terms is 2. So it forms an AP, that is arithmetic progression here. Now, okay, now the general form of an AP. The general form of an AP is written as A, comma A plus D and A plus 2D and so on. Now what is A here? A is the first term. Here it will be 2. Then A here is 2. Then D means common difference. Here the common difference is what? 2. So D is 2. If a question comes like write 4 terms of an AP with A equal to 2 and D equal to 3 suppose. So we will write our AP as, we have to write 4 terms, right? First, second, third and one more term. So our first term will be A, that is 2. Next term will be what? A plus D. A plus D meaning 2 plus D is given as 3. So it will be 3, comma. Then A plus 2D. So 2 plus 2 into D is our 3, comma. 2 plus 3, D is our 3. So done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us simplify this. 2, comma 2 plus 3 is 5, comma 2 plus 2 into 3, that is 6, plus 2 will be 8. Then 2 plus 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So here are the 4 terms of this AP. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, I hope you understood what is arithmetic progression. So we'll try some questions. What if we have A equal to minus 2 and D equal to suppose minus, again minus, that is minus 3 suppose. Same way, and we have to write 4 terms. So first term we take it as A. Next term is A plus D. Next term is A plus 2D. Third term is A plus 3. Now what is our A? Minus 2. Write it as minus 2. Then minus 2 plus D is what? Minus 3. Then next is minus 2 plus 2 into D, that is minus 3. Comma. Last term is minus 2 plus 3 into minus. So now first term will be minus 2. Second term will be minus 2 plus into minus minus. So minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5. Then here minus 2 minus of 6. Minus 2 minus 6 will be minus 8. Then minus 2, 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 9. That will be minus 11. So this is our AP for this A and D. Now the next question. Okay. Write first term and common difference for an AP. First question is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Second one is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Okay, we have to write the first term. How we write the first term? That one is A. And how we write common difference? That is D. Okay. Here also same. First term meaning A and common difference is D. Now, here, what is the first term? 3. Now, to find D, what we do is, this one is our A1, A2, A3 and A4, right? So, first we will do A2 minus A1. Okay, you can do A3 minus A2 also. A3 minus A2. From there, we will get what is D. Now, what is our A2? 1. Minus A1 will be 3. So, that will be minus 2. Okay, then A3. A3 is minus 1. Minus A2, that is 1. So, that will be minus 2 again. Now, see, the common difference is constant. So, your D is minus 2. Now, here same way. First term is your minus 5. Then D is minus 1. A2. First we'll find A2 minus A1. Then we'll go for A3 minus A2. Now, A2 is your minus 1 minus of minus 5. So, that will be minus 1 plus 5. That one is 4. So, your D here is 4. Now, A3. A3 is our 3 minus of minus 1. So, 3 plus 1 will be 4. So, see. Now, common difference here also it is constant. So, this forms an AP. Now, the next question. Okay. This one is how to find the first term and the common difference. Okay. When you be asked find the n term of an AP, so that in that way you have to use a formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, I'll explain you with an example. Example, suppose an AP is given 5, 8, 11, 14 up to, and you have been asked find 12th term of this AP. Okay. Know how to find A, D. Okay. See, in this formula we will use this formula now. Your A here is what? 5. Your D is what? A2 minus A1. A2 is what? 8. 8 minus A1 is 5. So, your D is 3. Then, N is what here? N is the term which we have to find, that is 12. So, A N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. First, always write the formula. That is very important to write formula. So, A12 equal to A is our 5 plus N is 12 minus 1 and D is 3. So 5 plus 11 into 3. So 5 plus 33. So 38 is your answer. So 12th term of this AP will be what? 38. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. If AN, value of AN is given and we have to find what is our N, then we'll see how to do. Question is, which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 up to is 17. Okay. In last question we were asked what is this term. Okay. Now we have been given this term and we have been asked which term. Okay. So we have been given AN, that is 78. Then A is your 3. D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now, and one more thing which is given is, okay, now we have to find what is our N. So use this formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, AN is given 78. So we'll write 78. A is 3 plus N, we need to find what is N, into D is 5. So 78 equal to 3 plus, okay, 5 into N is 5N minus 5 into 1 is 5. So 78 equal to 3 minus 5 will be minus 2 plus 5N. Okay, we'll move this minus 2 over here and we will find what is 5N. 78 plus 2 equal to 5N. So that will be 80 equal to 5N. So N will be equal to 80 upon 5. So N is 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So N is our 60. So with this we will finish this topic, what is arithmetic progression. Then in next video, in part 2, we will move on to the SN, that is sum of n terms. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.